In this video, I'm going to show you how you can upload a YouTube short from CapCut to YouTube. This will be a full step-by-step tutorial for those that are struggling or for those that just need a guide. So first you want to make sure you've got your YouTube short in the right dimensions. Now you can either create a new project or you can edit an existing project, it doesn't matter. I'm going to click new project. I guess I'll just select a tutorial video that I've got here. So I'll select this one here. Now this is a 1-minute video, but we are going to add this and trim it. Now what we need to do, we need to go ahead and first make sure this is under 60 seconds. So I'm just going to split it or trim it, right? So I'm going to go to the end of the clip. And as an example, I'm just going to first delete the CapCut outro. And I'm then going to bring this clip length down to under a minute. Obviously, you would have your short in mind and you would make sure that it is under a minute. Okay, so now we've shortened it to 56 seconds. Now it can be a YouTube short. Now the second thing that I would do, and this is important, very important, click on the backwards arrow so you're not selecting your clip. Then scroll down here and you're looking for aspect ratio. This is important. Click aspect ratio. Now if you want this to be a YouTube short, you need to make it 9:16. So it's going to be the same dimensions as TikTok, so we'll use the TikTok icon. Click on that. Then click the tick. Now by doing that, you might then have some black bars on your clip. You're going to have to just click on your clip again and then obviously use your 2 fingers to pinch outwards and resize your clip. Now once you've got your clip resized and it's resized to the TikTok or YouTube short dimensions, click export. That will then export your video and it should export it to the camera roll of your phone. Now with the dimensions changed, we should now be good to upload this as a short. So now let's just check that it is there. We'll go into our photos. So here it is, 56 seconds, right? So let's just remember that. Now we'll open up the YouTube app. Once you're on the YouTube app, make sure you're logged into the correct channel. Then click the plus icon. It's going to then ask you to upload your video. Click on your YouTube short. Now, if it's in the correct dimensions and it's under 60 seconds, it should just upload it straight as a short. Here we can see, we can now click next. You can then add any sound, you can do any text editing that you want, you can then click next again. Now because it recognizes it as a short already, we don't need to tell YouTube it's a short, it will just know. So when we click next again and it processes this, it will give us the option to add a title and description. So here is that window, we can then confirm and caption our short. So you would add in the caption here, this is what everyone will see. You can then make it public and obviously change these settings, turn comments on, I don't know why they keep going off. And then just upload short. Then your short will be live on your channel and that's all you have to do. So I hope that video helped you out.